Alright, everyone. Hello, welcome to my website, AZ Food Insider. So, I'd like to consider myself a food critic, and I am from Chandler, Arizona. So, this is my website. And basically, on my website, I'll be giving reviews on local restaurants and food places, and I'll just tell you like the negatives and positives of them. So, hopefully, I can be able to tell my audience where they should go, where they shouldn't go. So give them the rundown of that. So on this page, you'll find basically a description of what my website is about, a map of Chandler, and then my next tab is restaurants. So on this tab, I'll be listing the different restaurants and giving them reviews. So my first restaurant that I posted about is Crust, and they're actually my favorite restaurant, so definitely go check them out. This is their address, located in South Chandler. Here's their phone number. Here are their hours. Here's a link to their menu. As you can see, they're an Italian restaurant. So they're super good. They have amazing pasta and pizza. So definitely go ahead and check that out. See if it's for you. Here's some pictures of the restaurant. It's super nice. Here are some pictures of the food. It's delicious. Here's their logo, and here's a map showing their specific location. And then here's my review on the restaurant. As I said earlier, I list like all the positives and negatives. So go ahead and read that so you can find out all about the restaurant. And then on my sweet treats tab, this is more for dessert food places. So my first post is Ice Cream Sammy's. They're actually a walking distance away from Crust. So if you go to Crust, save a little room for Ice Cream Sammy's afterwards because they are delicious and you won't regret going there. So similar to the other page, here's their address, their phone number, their hours. Here's a link to their website. Their website is super cute. You can find out more information about this place. They were on the news because they're super good. They make everything homemade from scratch. Their cookies, their ice cream flavors, cookie flavors. They have brownie bowls, shakes, sundaes, basically everything delicious. So going back to the website, here are some pictures, ice cream sandwich pictures, restaurant, their logo. Here's their outdoor patio, which is super cute. Here's a picture I took at Ice Cream Sammy's, so good. And here's a map, again, showing the specific location. And then here's my review. It's kind of long because I try to give like very detailed reviews and try to be very specific. So my next tab is media. And on here you can find a link to my Instagram. I just set this up, so I haven't really done a whole lot with it yet, but you can still go ahead and give me a follow. And it's just AZ Food Insider. And then on my Instagram, there's a link to my website as well. And then there's also a link to my Twitter. And then I have one follower. Let's go. Yes, that's nice. And then I don't really have very many tweets yet either because I just set this up too. And then on here you can see some of my tweets. Here's a link to a YouTube video, this YouTube video actually. And then here's a poster with a QR code linking to my personal Instagram account. So you can go ahead and give that a look. Then here's also like an infographic just giving more detailed explanation about what this website is about, just another description. And then on the About Me page, it's about me. So my name is Brittany Wickman, and here's a picture of me. And it just says like information about me, my life, and why I decided to create this website. And then on the contact page, here you can leave me any questions, concerns, comments. I love to read those, and I'll try to get back to you as fast as I can. There's also, if you click on these, you can go to my strategic planning page or my references page. And yep, that's about it. I hope this was helpful, you guys, and I hope if you visit Chandler, Arizona, you give this website a look. And thank you so much for going through my website with me. Hope you have an awesome day. Thank you.